In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Pinterest profile into a business account and personalize it with a cover photo. Whether you're looking to tap into Pinterest's business features, analyze your audience metrics, or simply give your profile a professional edge, making the switch is quite straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. We'll start by opening up your Pinterest account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile to bring up your main page where all your boards are displayed. Here, you should notice a drop-down menu next to your profile icon. This menu is your gateway to accessing various settings and features for your account. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Convert to Business. Clicking on this will initiate the conversion process to upgrade your personal account. A business account on Pinterest allows you to unlock features designed for marketing and brand recognition, such as Pinterest Analytics and the ability to run ads. Once you've selected the option to convert, the interface will guide you through the steps. Simply click on the Upgrade button to confirm your decision. Now, after your account upgrade is completed, let's swing back to your profile page to personalize that newly minted business account with a cover photo. Having a visually appealing cover photo is a great way to make your profile stand out and give viewers a glimpse of what you're all about. So once again on your profile page, you'll notice a plus icon. This is the starting point for adding new visuals to your profile. Click the plus icon and you will see an option to upload a new cover photo. Consider choosing an image that reflects your brand, showcases your aesthetic, or highlights what you're passionate about sharing on Pinterest. Make sure that it's of high quality since this image is one of the first things people will see when visiting your profile. Once you've selected your desired image from your device, simply upload it. And with that final touch, you're all set. Your Pinterest account is now a business profile with a personal touch. This conversion not only enhances your profile's appearance, but also positions you to access valuable tools and insights that can drive your objectives on Pinterest. Remember, a professional and engaging profile is a powerful step towards connecting with your audience and making an impact in the Pinterest community. So there you have it, a smooth and simple transformation. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope your new Pinterest business account opens up exciting opportunities for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to optimize your online presence. Happy pinning!